Okay, good morning once again. Good morning to all beloved and respected and most treasured sales leaders. Before ako dali mapathank you ko sa akong mga seminaryan, especially to Father Herrera, thank you so much. No? Ang galing niyo magkanta. No? So, palak pa? So, thank you so much for coming and also to all my friends, no? Especially Miss Reggie, no? Ay, kita naka-live karon sa Sky Keyboard. Yan, si Miss Reggie. Naku, dahil hindi ko rin kahambal. And also to my friend, no? God, no? Aragin ang support nila. Thank you so much, no? For all the support. And also to all the very active, no? Na mga President's Club member! Abay nila mga President's Club member? Yan. And also to all the high players! Okay? Twitter ka na yan, please. Pwede tubig. Hindi lang cold. Oo. Pwede lang ko tubig. Di na nga ito mga high players! Ay, wala! Ate, palakpak na lang. Makawala kita di pa nga. Ito nga noise. Okay, ano? Ito na ang tanan na mga mobbers! Sabi mobbers na ito? Ay, naginaktalakta na. Oo. Kagina, may instruction sa upper table for mobbers, high flyers, customer service. Pero, sa control, no? Friends, like dealers, sa ito, like this. Ang mga bago na ito na dealers, sabi? A big round of applause, please. Mga like this. No, kadamang itong akong mga grupo ka namin nila. I'm so happy with sa inyo, tanan. And I support family, no? May mga sisters ko dira, brother ko, thank you sa inyo, no? For my inspiration and very handsome husband, wala siya diri subong, pero ang support niya alam ng gihapon, no? So, because siyempre awat ko sa iyang trabaho, and of course, my one and only son, Philip. No, ako niya partner in my business. Lakpakan niyo. Kung wala ko ara siya, no? Siya ang ako nga OIC. Unconditional love and everlasting support, no? Aragin ang support sa anak ko halin pa pag-birthday ko. And siyempre, my very loyal ang mga trusted na sisters ko. Apit din sila, no? Aragin tanan, pag-attend. And not to forget all our beautiful assistant, Miss Jubilee. Ako nga po sila batang palakpakan ginatang si Jubilee, no? Kay maskin bago lang sa nagbata, nag-reported siya tungod ang aragilang support ni Miss Jubilee. Thank you, Miss Job. And also, my loving sisters, Emily Iris. Abeli, what? Isang masigapo ka palakpak? Pangabang sa ako sa mga taga-Antiki. May taga-Antiki diri? Abeli, sure na yan. May taga-Antiki. Ako palakpak man. Sara! Ang taga-Sara, isa lang? Isa lang ba? Oh, wala sa kabalo. Rojas! May taga-Rojas? Yan, may taga-Baya. May taga-Rojas, Miss Lani. Pasi! Yan, may taga-Pasi. Bacolod! Ano yung Bacolod? Ay, wala. No? Ang taga-Manila, wala man ang of course. No? Hindi kita birthday ang mga taga-Iloilo, Peng! Mabende na taga-Iloilo. One gift, no, for sa tanan sa inyo. Thank you. Thank you sa inyo tanan. What can I say is, once again, what an outstanding performance to all of us. Why? Because we are still the #1 group of the whole Panay. Ang baga gina ni Father is Father. Napatian niya sa pag-golden girl ko. No? Imagine how we sustain our rank for the long span of time. To give you an idea, 19 years being the number group, no, mga #1 kita sa aton nga grupo diri sa Iloilo, and it's a very challenging and hard thing to do. That is why we are here today to let you know how thankful I'm having you all in my life. All of these achievements and success could not be attained without you, without your undying support. Thank you so much. Even ladies, thank you to all the husbands na ariman dire din ang mga husband. Abe, tindak ba ng mga husband? Yan, may husband. Yan, may mga husband. Welcome, no? And for the support, no, sa inyong nga pinalangga nga mga misis, mga wives, no? Especially sa ato mga grupo diri nga ari subong, no? Let me mention some of our wonderful achievements this year 2011. Of course, the Garingalaos Group pa rin ang #1 in the whole Panay. We are still the #1 in EOM in sales, top in order count, as well as in top in addition. #1 in recruitment, and most especially for being the GMAC volume for the year 2011. This is the almost 5 years ng volume for the entire Philippines. Again, please a big round of applause for achieving the Asian Cruise. Together my son and husband, no, last March 2011. And the Baltic Cruise, no? Just imagine mo, naka-Baltic Cruise kami. Sa 2011, together my husband, no, ang amon nga, instead nagpa-silver wedding kami, so dito namon celebrate ang amon na, no, sa Baltic Cruise, in Germany, sa Sweden, no? Grabe ang 7 countries ang nakatuwa namon. So, nag-enjoy kita husband na akon for the celebration namon. Pero inaiya sa isang ibon ng mga incentives because of the GMAC volume, no, for the entire Philippines nga nagdala kita sa top 23. We rank at number 17 from last year. Okay? I am sharing this to all of you because all of these achievements halin din sa inyo mga ma'am. No? So I am very thankful again for all the support, and I know that someday will also achieve that I achieved of being an Avon lady. Sa subong adlaw, we are here to enjoy and celebrate our blessing. Not only that, we are here to acknowledge and recognize our top performance, achievers, and loyal members. I have prepared a simple but valuable gifts to exciting prizes for all of us. Let us make sure that we enjoy this day and eat our lunch, no? So, and I know that you have been looking forward for this important day. Once again, let us be thankful to God, to the people who are here for supporting me, and also to the Avon company for the job opportunity that we have provided us with the enjoyment and a good life. As we begin on the year 2012, I would like to look back when I started as an Avon dealer like you. I took my days, months, and years working so hard to achieve these dreams. I worked so hard in order to provide my needs as well as my family 3 times a day with a smile on our faces. I meet different personalities, different pieces every day, different attitude, etc. But with my dedication and my passion for my work, I conquered all of my fears and improved my confidence to face all the challenges in life. And the result of those hardships is a good life. I have received so many awards, but also lots of sacrifices. But very important value that I have with me is that I am happy. I enjoy being an Avon lady for more than 26 years. As we can see, Avon is still #1 direct selling company in the whole world. And we must be proud because we are part of this #1 company. Let us look forward and work for a better tomorrow. Always remember, attend trainings, cherish the incentives program, and give full time to this career because I am very sure that it would be help you achieve your dreams in life. More recruits, more sales leaders, more big income. Train and motivate to maintain our group #1. More power to you, my beloved Avon ladies and gentlemen. Once again, Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Thank you. Kasi ang Avon is for women. Okay, so thank you. Are you inspired? Yes. Oo, you have to kasi you belong to number? 1. Iba talaga pag number? 1. O, diba? Nang nakaka-inspire. Changing with the rise, spreading even flipping beauty, we will rise into tomorrow and make our dreams come true. We can make this happen together. Yes, we can. Wala, pili tayo na. Oh, yun. Gusto ko yung voluntarily. Yun. Sige na. Go, girls. Let's have fun. Okay?
Let's party. Party.
Walo kada grupo.
So, 3 groups na siya?
3 groups.
3 groups, kulang pa.
Ginagay ko lang bangko.
So, dapat ang pangalan hindi prepare ini ni Miss Ann Pargon.
Yes, ako na rin ang makal, no? Kapit ko na makal. Kaya na, kagutok. Sabi nga, kagutok. Sige. O, nagkaplano na sila. Siyempre, ang una na makatapos, kagwapa-gwapa nila ang kanta, sila ang Loco King. Players, patigil ako kay kanigan. Players, hanggang kita. Okay. Hanggang kita, please. Hanggang kita, players. Oo. Si Madam nag-decide, tagaan ka mo, isa-isa, cash! Ayan. Pero, sino ang nagdaon?
Number 1.
Sigurado ka mo?
Si Fred Anissa?
Okay. So, sino number 1? Sino daw? Okay. Sino ang number 2? Number 2, okay. Siyempre. Number 3 man. Okay. Iba ko. So, number 3 man. Tumat ka mo? Okay. Fair ang laban. Ang gusto nila. Wala na sa may mo. Bihim. Wala na sa may mo. Madam, ang cash prize. O, ayan. Ay, nalutom. Akala ko shield.
Balik ko yan.
Ayan. Hey! Okay. 100. Oh, thank you. Okay. Ay, madam, ito malaki ba? Oo. Number 1.
Dali, Tita.
Yes.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And then blow your candle. wish for good health, more sales, more blessings, long productive life, abundance and prosperity. May all be upon all of you. Wow.
Happy,
Ayan.
happy, happy.
Happy birthday to you. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let's go. Wow. Okay. So,
Mama rock, there's not
ay, subukan na. Subukan natin practice. First and last practice. You see? Iba talaga.
Mama rock, there's not
Nalipay kay nga the more you sell, the more you earn. Kay nag-drop sales na ako, 3.5 million sa to. Primero ba na yung mga 2 million, 2.5, 3 million, 3.5, hasta sa 4 million. Amoy na ang akong sales kasi bulan. Hambal ko kay Madam Tess, sa tumungan 2012, dapat mag-ademak na kuguro. Kaya sang last May, March gali, upod na kami ni Madam Tess nag-cross kami. Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand. Pag-previous pa sina, nakalakad na kuya sa Bangkok, ng Hong Kong, ano pa ganit tumita. Ay ito na kuya nag-tour, so buong ang gina-target ko, New Zealand. Kasi kamo, kung mahimo ko gani na, kamo mahimo man na. Kaya nga, dili sa Avon, kung tamad ka, siguro hindi nyo maabot. Pero, ang hambal ni Sir Bon Sakon, pag-birthday ni Madam, learn. Hindi ka lang magtinamad sa pag-recruit. Hambal ko, sir. Sige. Tingnan ko, pero abi mo, kay na namin sa Sir Bon, dili kay nakabalik sa Iloilo. Ang mga problema namon, automatic.
Thank you, Miss Lerm, no, for all the support. Thank you so much. Si Miss Lerm, isa ko rin siya ka-franchise dealer before, no, and now, ano siya, si become GMAC, no, sili ko siya, grabe ang support, grabe ang recruits niya. Siya based on Sarah, no, so, again, please, a big round of applause to our Senior Executive Unit Manager, Miss Lerma Habilosa. Thank you, Ning.
Nga po yellow, how? Ano ba lang itong yellow?
Puti na mo.
Puti, puti mo yan. Wala doon.
Kasi may puti, may yellow.
May yellow mo.
Para mas namin, ganyan, para mas surprise, pag di ba?
Oo.
So, our second prize
Ready na siya ng laba.
from Barangay. Sino yung taga-barangay? Kanang taga-barangay?
Ano ba yan?
May kibuta ka mo sa ticket barangay? From Barangay Lanit Haro, Iloilo.
Ay.
May nag-react na yun now? Dala, doon? Oo, ito na. Ikaw na. Miss Leticia. Oh, siya din. Agolana.
Wow.
Wala, doon nga siya lang din tagalan ni Taro.
Okay.
Siya lang din ang nag-react.
Congratulations.
Anyways, congratulations.
Pwede ka nakapaglaban.
Right.
Oo.
Pwede ka nakapanglaba nga nag-iga mo sa sulod.
Oo.
Miss Leticia, pilay mo ka ba tol?
Pilagin bakal ka na ticket. Ha?
Only one bundle.
One lang.
4 tickets.
Oo.
Well, that's why, once kung may mga incentive, go.
Ang hindi siguro.
It's time. It's time
It's time
to pick
to
the
pick the raffle, the grand raffle, which is the Salasit. Sino gusto sa Salasit? Ayan na, bukali. Oo.
Yay! Ulangalan? Ulangalan? Ulangalan?
Kaya
Nabi pa na yun ang ngalan niya.
oo,
Kilala mo binasa?
naka-typewriter.
Sino nag-typewriter sa ngalan niya sa raffle
Hindi
ticket?
tayo, hindi naguguro sa may sa may typewriter. Hindi typewriter. Okay! And now, ladies and ladies. Our winner is Milen Hill.
Meren Hill!
Wow, present!
Congratulations!
Wow! Ating Johnny, ginapinita ang dami binigay. Ang dami binigay stores din sa ako na may masambalan ko.
Picture rin sa mga tungko sa trono.
Hindi mapatry. Sabi, sir, kaya ba?
Okay, thank you, Dai.
And also, ang wala pang nakuha sa token, please